Okay, so let's take a look at how you can add post grid to your WordPress page or post using Spectra page builder. So what we can do, go to WordPress, then click on plugins, click add new. Right now here I will search for Spectra. Right, once we do that, we can click on install and activate. If you have it for update, you can do so. Right, next go to the page or post where you wish to add that post grid block. So in my case I have this sample page where now let me scroll to bottom. Right, if you have any other block that you don't wish to use, you can simply select it. Right, now here to add post grid I can simply use / and here I can use from the list, right, or alternatively I can use browse all, then in Spectra check for post grid. Right, so click on post grid, it will be added here. Currently it says no post found. I can choose from post type to pages, and as you can see I have few pages to add here. Right, you can use taxonomy all, exclude current post, you can see that and it will update. Right, you can also limit the amount of posts that appear. You can set that to 4, and that would also apply. You can add style, so background color you can make it like this gray, right, or you can use say green or any other color of your choice. Right, so if I choose something like this, let's see, can save the changes now. Click on update and we will view the page for update to post grid. So let's scroll to the part where we have this block added. Right, so here you can see that block is added. You can check the post grid block here. Replace this with post instead of pages, and effect would remain the same. Right, so this was post grid block that you can add to WordPress page or post using Spectra page builder. There are few more things you can go through. If you want, select everything within block. You can customize the padding, its size, shape, right, then additional things like conditions, when this should appear, etc. Right, and also other general settings like alignment, right, centralize it, left, right, etc. So this is the post grid block.